Good day, everyone. You are welcome to this week's Business and Investment Tips program, a production of RCCG Christ Church Radio with Ayodeji Ebo, an investment professional. This week, the focus is on investment options in dollar-denominated assets. The recent persistent devaluation and depreciation of the naira at both the official and foreign exchange markets has been a major cause of concern for investors. The devaluation or depreciation of the naira has eroded the purchasing power of Nigerians, as well as impacted their savings and investments. Depreciation or devaluation simply means the naira has lost value against any foreign currency. That is, you will need more naira to buy a single unit of another currency. The naira at the Central Bank of Nigeria official FX window has depreciated by an average of 14.8% annually in the last 12 years, from 150 naira 29 kobo to a dollar in 2011 to 789 naira 94 kobo to a dollar as of 27th October 2023. Year to date, the naira has depreciated in the official market by 41.6%, from 461 naira to a dollar to 789 naira 94 kobo to $1 as of Friday, 27th October 2023, while the naira has depreciated in the parallel market by 35.7%, from 736 naira to a dollar to 1,145 naira to a dollar as of Friday, 27th October 2023. A lack of FX supply has driven the weakness in the naira due to large-scale oil theft that has crippled exports and reduced FX inflow. Additionally, speculative activities have grown significantly due to the CBN's poor policy planning, communication, and implementation. The devaluation of the currency matters to you as an investor because it increases the price of imported and locally produced items, eroding the value of the naira. Given these conditions, it is imperative to have savings and investment in foreign currency to hedge against currency devaluation or depreciation, especially if you have potential FX obligations. Most foreign currency investments are typically denominated in US dollars. Investment in dollar-denominated investments generates three types of returns for investors based in Nigeria. A. Income return in the form of interest payment in the case of Eurobond or dollar savings, and periodic payout for dollar mutual funds and dividends in the case of stocks. B. Capital appreciation when the value of the investment itself rises, as in the case of bonds, real estate, and stocks. C. Return from changes in the value of the naira against the dollar. That is, if the naira loses value against the dollar, you will gain an additional return. For instance, consider investing 1 million naira at 700 naira to a dollar, which translates to a total investment of $1,428.57 in a dollar-denominated investment at an annual return of 7%. If the naira depreciates or loses 40% of its value against the dollar, the exchange rate becomes 1,167 naira to a dollar. Your initial investment of $1,428.57 at 7% per annum becomes $1,528.57 in 1 year. If you decide to liquidate your investment and convert it back to naira at the assumed rate of 1,167 naira to a dollar, the value of your investment becomes 1,783,841 naira and 7 kobo. Effectively, your return is 783,841 naira and 7 kobo, or 78.4% in 1 year. These are some investment options you can take advantage of. 1. Dollar savings. This can be achieved by purchasing dollars and paying it into your domiciliary bank account. While it protects you from any devaluation, it produces no dollar return. Alternatively, it is good to note that you can save without having a domiciliary bank account. In that case, you can save with reputable financial technology platforms that allows you to pay in naira and convert to dollars and save to earn a dollar return. It also provides you the opportunity to convert back to naira at the prevailing rate when you want to liquidate. 2. Fixed dollar deposit. This is simply purchasing dollars and fixing the funds at an agreed interest rate with your bank or investment firm for a fixed period. The interest ranges between 3 to 8% depending on the investment amount and firm. This is better than leaving the funds in your domiciliary bank account, as you would only earn meaningful return if the naira is devalued. 3. Dollar mutual funds. Dollar mutual funds allows you to conveniently invest and earn returns in foreign currency. The funds invest mostly in federal government and corporate Eurobond. This investment is low risk and has a considerable minimum investment amount ranging from $100 to $1,000 depending on the investment outfit. Mutual funds are regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) and professionally managed. Due to the difficulty of purchasing dollars for investment, some platforms allows you to convert your naira to dollar at the prevailing rate to invest. Alternatively, you can purchase and transfer your dollars to the investment outfit. 4. Eurobonds. Eurobond is a type of bond issued in a currency that is different from that of the currency or market in which it is issued. For instance, if the federal government or GT Bank borrow in dollars from private investors in the international market, this is called a Eurobond. If you want to invest directly rather than through a dollar mutual fund, the standard minimum size for investment in Eurobond is $200,000, but can be lower depending on the firm. Sourcing for dollars can also be a constraint. The interest rate varies from 10 to 14% depending on the rating of the issuer and maturity of the Eurobonds. 5. Foreign stocks or shares. This is recommended for investors with medium to high risk appetite due to the volatility of stock returns. However, stocks provide high potential return in the long run. You can sign up to any of the platforms to begin investing. However, please profile the investment platform via their regulator's website before signing up. You can invest in stocks with strong fundamentals and a consistent dividend history. Please listen to our podcast on investing in foreign stocks on our YouTube channel for more understanding. Thank you for listening. Please join us same time next week for another exciting and interesting session. For questions, comments, and feedback, kindly forward to ebo.ayodeji@gmail.com or send SMS to 070-8246-3747. Stay blessed.